19 things a guy should keep to himself when dating. Hey there, it's Adam. Ever felt like sharing everything with someone you are dating, especially when the vibe feels just right? Hold that thought. Today we're going to delve into the world of discretion and why sometimes keeping a few cards close to your chest can work wonders. We will explore those key things that as a man you might consider keeping private, especially in the early stages of a relationship. And by the end of this video, you will be equipped with the knowledge of which topics to tread lightly around, ensuring your budding romance flourishes. Ready to navigate the delicate balance of mystery and transparency? Let's unravel these secrets together. Past relationships. Avoid discussing intimate details of past relationships, as it can lead to unnecessary comparisons and jealousy. Your past relationship experiences have shaped who you are today, but diving into intimate details early on can muddle the waters. It might lead your crush to make comparisons which unintentionally can overshadow the current relationship and that unique connection you're trying to establish. While it's okay to acknowledge past relationships, try to focus on the lessons learned rather than the specifics of what happened. Financial challenges. Being too open about financial struggles can sometimes be interpreted or used against you. It's essential to be transparent about significant life challenges in a committed relationship. However, in the initial stages, sharing detailed financial hardships might lead to misunderstandings. It's not about hiding who you are, but also introducing such topics at a time when trust and understanding have been solidified. Family issues. Every family has its own challenges. Sharing too much can lead to misconceptions about your upbringing or personal character. While everyone comes from diverse backgrounds with their own set of challenges, delving too deep into family issues early on can lead to premature judgments. It's best to introduce family dynamics gradually, allowing your partner to understand the broader context and not form hasty conclusions about you. Personal insecurities. Yeah, vulnerability is valuable. Constant emphasis on deep insecurities can project a lack of confidence. Being vulnerable can pave the way for deep connections. However, continuously highlighting personal insecurities might make it seem like you lack self-assuredness. While it's okay to share your fears and concerns occasionally, it's essential to balance these with positive aspects of yourself. Over time, as the relationship deepens, you can gradually share more, knowing that the foundation is strong enough to handle such revelations. Previous misdeeds. Everyone has a past, and it's wise not to bring up negative episodes that don't define your present. We all have chapters in our lives we're not proud of, but those chapters don't necessarily define the story of who we are today. Sharing every past mistake or misdeed can cloud the current image you are trying to present. Focus on who you've become rather than who you were. When trust is deeply established in the relationship, these stories will find their place and be seen in the broader spectrum of your life's journey. Salacious stories. Avoiding sharing overly personal or inappropriate stories that might change someone's perception of you. In the age of oversharing, it's tempting to spill all for the sake of appearing transparent. However, not all tales are fit for early stages of dating. Salaciousness or inappropriate anecdotes might not only change someone's perception of you, but can also make your crush uncomfortable. It's essential to gauge the level of intimacy and comfort before venturing into such territories. Future plans too soon. Sharing your long-term plans too early in a relationship can be overwhelming for the other person. While having a vision for the future shows ambition and clarity, laying out a detailed roadmap on the third date might come off as intense. It's one thing to share aspirations and another to detail out plans, especially if they involve the other person. Save those deeper conversations for when you both feel a committed future is a real possibility. Health concerns. Until you are in a deeply committed relationship, sharing minor health issues might not be necessary. Your health is deeply personal. While significant health concerns should be shared when considering a serious relationship, minor or temporary health challenges might be best kept under wraps in the initial stages. This isn't about hiding, but about considering what's essential for the other person to know at this junction. As trust and commitment grow, these topics can be approached with sensitivity and care. Opinions about her friends. Unless asked, it's wise to keep judgments about her friends or family to yourself. Her friends and family have played a pivotal role in her life, shaping who she is today. Holding or expressing strong judgments can make them create that unintended barrier between you two. While it's natural to have opinions, it's wise to tread lightly and refrain from unnecessary criticisms. With time, as the relationship deepens, there will be room for more open discussions about mutual relationships and how they intersect in your love life. Personal achievements over bragging. Confidence is key, but overemphasis on your achievements can come off as arrogant. It's essential to be proud of your accomplishments. They are a testament to your hard work and dedication. However, constantly highlighting them, especially unsolicited, can overshadow genuine connection. Let her discover your achievements organically, allowing admiration to be a natural progression rather than a forced perception. Comparisons with other women. Never compare her to other women, especially in areas she might be sensitive about. Every individual is unique and deserves to be seen as such. During comparisons, especially with other women, can be detrimental to her self-esteem and your relationship's health. It advertently sends a message that she is being measured against the standard. Always ensure she feels cherished for who she is, with her unique blend of qualities and quirks. Conflicts with friends. It's best not to involve her in issues you have with your friends, which might make group gatherings awkward. Friendships, like all relationships, have their ups and downs. Involving her prematurely in conflicts you have with friends can lead to preconceived notions, potentially making future group interactions uncomfortable. Moreover, it places her in an unwanted position of possibly having to choose sides. Aim for a harmonious blend of your romantic and social life, addressing internal friends' issues independently. Unresolved past drama. Everyone has their baggage. Until it's pertinent, you might want to keep those past dramas to yourself. Now, we all have chapters in our stories that are messy or regrettable. However, discussing unresolved past issues too soon can cast a shadow over the potential brightness of a new relationship. Until it becomes relevant to your present or future with her, consider allowing the past to remain there. Let her get to know you for who you are, not without the weight of yesteryears. Grievances about her behaviour. If you have an issue, communicate directly and avoid discussing it with others. Open communication is paramount. If something she does bothers you, it's essential to address it directly with her rather than sharing your grievances with others. Not only is it a mark of respect towards her, but it also protects the sanctity of your budding relationship from external influences. Password and PIN details. Yeah, for safety and privacy reasons, keep those details confidential. Your personal and digital privacy is essential, even in the realm of budding romance. Safeguarding your confidential details such as passwords and PINs is a wise move. Not only does it protect you from potential vulnerabilities, but it also prevents awkward situations where trust could be unintentionally breached. Intimate preferences too early. Sharing preferences too soon can be uncomfortable. Intimacy is a beautiful aspect of a relationship, but its foundations are built on mutual trust and understanding. Sharing intimate details or preferences prematurely can lead to discomfort or misinterpretation. Pacing yourself ensures that when the time is right, your shared intimacy is respectful, mutual, and deeply connected. Judgments about her past. Avoid bringing up judgments or assumptions about her past unless it's a mutual discussion. Everyone has a history and it's not a place to judge. Making assumptions or passing judgments on her past can create barriers in your budding relationship. Instead, be a sounding board, a listener and a supporter. If discussions about the past arise, ensure it's mutual and a non-judgmental conversation. Workplace gossip. Keep work issues and gossip at work. Mixing work drama and personal life can be draining. While it's natural to discuss daily life and even occasional work-related stories, continuously bringing workplace gossip or drama into your personal interactions can be tedious. She's interested in getting to know you, not necessarily the intricacies of your office dynamics. Instead, focus on shared interests and building a strong foundation for your potential relationship. Extreme opinions. Whether political, religious, or cultural, sharing radical views can polarize your relationship. In the early stages of a relationship, it's essential to focus on commonalities and understanding. While it's vital to be true to your beliefs, introducing extreme opinions prematurely can lead to unnecessary friction. As your relationship matures, there will be ample opportunities to delve into deeper discussions and understand each other's perspectives, even if they differ. Now that you are in the know about secrets men should keep, are you curious about the mind games she might be running, or maybe dive into keys to being unforgettable to her? Your next discovery is just a click away. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more.